Hey everyone, how's it going? Are you thinking about moving to the high desert? There are some pros and cons of moving if you're looking to move into high desert. Here they are. Pro number one is obviously the home prices. The average price for a home in California is around $800,000. Over here, we're about half of that at only $400,000 here. Not only that, you can get a home, you get home with a lot of space. You won't have to be bumping next to your neighbor trying to fight for yard and everything like that. Pro number two is location. You are close to pretty much everything within 2 to 3 hours max. 2 hours down south, you'll go to LA, you get San Diego. In about 90 minutes, you're from here to the beaches of Santa Monica. Also, you're about 2 or 3 hours away, depending on traffic. It's crazy on the Memorial Day weekends, 3-day weekends. You'll be close to Vegas, and who doesn't love going to State Line? Just 2 hours away. Excuse me, 2 hours away. You get to State Line. Right there, you can go fish. You can go on the jet skis. You get out there, have some fishing, and enjoy relaxation. Oh, and by the way, speaking of location, did you know that we're actually the home of the future bullet train that'll be connecting Vegas to all the way to LA with stops here in Apple Valley and Hesperia. So it'll be even closer, faster. It'll be from 3 hours, it'll be 2 hours or maybe even 1 hour. So, like I said, how can you beat that? Pro number three is there's plenty of outdoor activities for those who love to be outdoors. You can go camping, you can go hiking trails, you can go off-roading on ATVs. If you have a Jeep or a Palisade like I do, all-wheel drive, you can go over there, 4x, get some activities with the kids, get some sun. You can go hiking, you can go shooting. You are in the winter times, you are able to go up to Big Bear, get some snowboarding, skiing, sledding, those snowballs at your sister if you want. And yeah, there's plenty of things to do. You're close to everything. Whether you like the summer and want the beaches, whether you like the mountains, you want the snowboard in the Big Bear area, 1.5 to 2 hours max. So pro number four is the weather. The weather can be a pro or a con depending on you. Whether you like the hot summers or the cold winters, it has enough for everybody. Yes, the con. But like I said, during the summer times, it is boiling hot. It's like up to 90 degrees, 100 degrees, which could be fine for some of those. The benefit about that, it is a dry heat, not a low heat, a wet heat, what they say. So it won't be as much humidity. Because if you're like me, I hate the humid areas. You got all the bugs and all the mosquitoes and stuff like that. You don't really have to deal with that over here. And then the winter times, majority of the times, it's pretty chill. Like mostly like maybe 50, 60s, more or less. We do get snow here and there once in a while, but for the most part, it's actually not bad. Fall, spring is the best time. Usually like around 70, 80 degrees, give or take. Not too bad, not too shabby. So yeah, so like I said, it has a little bit of a taste for everybody. Whether you like the hot or the cold, you'll get pretty much everything. And the last pro I have for living in the high desert is we are a growing community. Trust me, I've been here since I was 5 years old. There was hardly anything. It literally looked like that. But now it actually is a growing community. We have one of the fastest growing communities in Southern California. Like I said, there's plenty of things to do here. There's plenty of, whether you like axe throwing, like I said, like really like shooting. We have arcade games. It is a growing community, and we'd love to have you guys here. Now, unfortunately, there are some cons to living in the high desert. Like I said, number one is the weather. Weather could be hit or miss depending on you. You get a little bit taste of everything for the most part. Another con may be, I would say, jobs, not as much as before, especially with most majority of people working remote. There are Amazon facilities up here now. There's a Walmart DC. There is the Big Lots DC distribution center. There actually is a growing industry, so they are getting better at that. But majority of jobs are still either down the hill in San Bernardino, Ontario area, Fontana. But like I said, it's up to you. Yeah, so that's pretty much some of the pros and cons. I'm pretty sure people have more. I've lived in the high desert majority of my life. Um, Proud alumni of Apple Valley High School. To hit that subscribe button and follow for more content. I'll be throwing out videos on the market update next, some houses that are available for sale, and yeah, feel free to hit me up. Contact information will be down below. Have a great day, everyone. Until next time.